welcome back. So today we're just going to do another DIY. If you guys are interested, which I know you are because that's why you click that button, just stick around and here comes that DIY. I found this rib vase at the Dollar Tree and I'm just going to take it outside to spray paint. What I've done is just spray painted the inside of my vase here, as you can see, with my silver spray paint. And I did that because I wanted the outside of the container to still keep that shine that the glass has naturally. Right now I'm going to go in with my gems from Walmart. I'm going to be using the smallest gems on this sheet here. Okay guys, I'm going to be going in with these medium-sized gems here. So guys, this is what it looks like. I am going to go back to Dollar Tree to see if I can find some more of those daisies, because I feel like it would look much better if it was fuller. But yeah, this is what it looks like and I really am pleased with how it turned out. Okay guys, so I had these mason jars around the house and all I'm going to do is take them out to the garage and spray paint them. This is going to be a DIY inspired by some of the decor that I found when I was at the Burlington Coat Factory store. So I will try to insert a clip of those. This is what the mason jars look like after I spray painted them. Again, I spray painted the inside of the jars because I wanted to keep that beautiful glass luster that the jars naturally have on them. So this is going to be a really simple DIY. What we're going to go in next with is this holiday ribbon here, and I got this after Christmas on sale for like 75% off or something like that. All I'm going to do is just fold this up because mine is a little bit too big and I'm not going out to buy a smaller ribbon or anything. So yeah, I'm going to do that now. I'll be going in with these mirrored tabs from Joann's. I'll also be using these jumbo gems from Walmart. Alright guys, so I just want to show you this option. I don't think I'm going to go with these because it's just a little bit too plain for me. But you could do this to dress up your jar if you wanted to. But I think that I am going to go in with these dangly gems that I picked up from Walmart as well. And so yeah guys, I just want to mention that these are going to be Mother's Day gifts. These are super easy to make, and so if you need something that is easy and kind of, you know, last minute yet budget friendly, go ahead and try these out. I think that any mom would love these. I know I would. Alright guys, so this is how they look. I am going to go back to get some flowers from the Dollar Tree. Hopefully I can find daisies to go inside of here. I want to get some purple and blue ones for the moms that I'm going to give these to. That is their favorite colors. So I'm going to give these to two separate moms. But yeah, I really think these turned out really nicely for the price of around $2. And then when I get the flowers, probably about $5 each, so not bad at all. Guys, that's it. That's all that I have today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and will subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That would mean so much to me, as well as hitting that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.